Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Study Academia. Today we are going to practice 24 MCQ questions from Poonawala Lahiya's book. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more updates. So let's start with the first question. Before going to the first question, the ancient history playlist is in my description box. Please visit my description box and follow the link for ancient history videos. Let's start with the first question. The first question is a match the following question. Here are two columns, column A and column B. In column A, we can see four ages are here: Paleolithic age, Neolithic age, Chalcolithic age and Mesolithic age. And in column B, we can see the inventions of these ages: copper, discovery of fire, microliths, tools for harvesting crops. So the answer will be number C. Copper is related to Chalcolithic age, discovery of fire is related to Paleolithic age, microliths are related to Mesolithic age and tools for harvesting crops is related to Neolithic age. Now the next question is, consider the following statements and identify which are specific to the Neolithic period. Domestication of animals and growing of wild varieties of crops. People used copper and bronze to make a lot of tools, making of specialized tools by flaking stones which were pointed in one end. The answer will be A. The domestication of animals and growing of wild varieties of crop is the correct statement which is related to Neolithic period. The next question is, match the historical period and archaeological sites. In periods, we can see there are four periods: Paleolithic, Mesolithic, Neolithic and Chalcolithic. And inside Bhimbetka, Belan, Navadatoli and Mehergarh. So the right answer will be Bhimbetka is related to Mesolithic age, Belan is related to Paleolithic age, Navadatoli is related to Chalcolithic age and Mehergarh is related to Neolithic age. Now the next question is, which of the following are characteristics of Neolithic age? Use of very finely flaked small stone tools, blades and burins, domestication of cattle, horses and other farm animals, painting and decorating pottery. The answer will be 1, 2 and 3. All these three are characteristics of Neolithic age. Question number 5 is, consider the following statements and choose the appropriate one. Technologically, the Chalcolithic stage refers to pre-Harappans, but in various parts of the country it appears after the end of the Bronze Harappan culture. Second statement, all Chalcolithic cultures are not necessarily pre-Harappan cultures, but all pre-Harappan cultures are necessarily Chalcolithic cultures. Third statement is, all Chalcolithic cultures are necessarily pre-Harappan cultures, but pre-Harappan cultures are not necessarily Chalcolithic cultures. So the answer will be only one. Technologically, the Chalcolithic stage refers to pre-Harappans, but in various parts of the country it appears after the end of the Bronze Harappan culture. The next question is, which of the following statements is correct regarding prehistoric art? Paleolithic and Mesolithic people practiced painting. Prehistoric art do not appear at the Bhimbetka caves. Many figures regarding the solar system were painted. The paintings depict the religious beliefs of the people. The answer will be Paleolithic and Mesolithic people practiced painting. This will be the correct answer. Seventh number question is, which was the first metal used by man? The first metal used by man was copper. Next question is, with which of the following periods do we associate the microlith implements? Paleolithic, Chalcolithic, Neolithic or Mesolithic? The answer will be Mesolithic. Question number 9 is, with which period do we associate the megaliths? Pleistocene, Neolithic, Chalcolithic, Mesolithic or none of the above? The answer will be Neolithic, Chalcolithic period. Next question is, what was the earliest metal tool used for? Pot making, house building, clearing jungles or making wheels? The answer will be clearing jungles. Next question is, the first animal to be domesticated during Stone Age were dogs, goat, sheep, dogs, horses, goat, horses, sheep, goat or sheep, elephant, dog? The answer will be dogs, goat and sheep. The next question is, nomadic man started settling in Paleolithic age, Mesolithic age, Neolithic age or Chalcolithic age? The answer will be Neolithic age. Nomadic man started settling in Neolithic age. Man moved from food gathering to food producing age in the Paleolithic age, Mesolithic age, Chalcolithic age, or in Neolithic age. The answer will be Neolithic age. The greatest innovation of man in Paleolithic age was metal implements, potter's wheel, or discovery of fire, or spinning and weaving. The greatest invention of man in Paleolithic age was discovery of fire. During the Chalcolithic age, the only metal known to man was iron, gold, copper, or silver. The answer will be C, copper. Another match the column. Here are the sites and ages. We have to connect these sites with these ages. Ahar Gilant, Mohenjo-daro, Burzahom, and Bago. And in ages Chalcolithic, Harappa, Neolithic, and Mesolithic. The answer is Ahar and Gilant are related to Chalcolithic age, Mohenjo-daro is related to Harappan age, and Burzahom is related to Neolithic age, Bagar is related to Mesolithic age. Question number 17 is consider the following statements regarding the economy of Neolithic period. First statement is the economy of the early Neolithic cultures was based on agriculture and animal domestication. The Neolithic men knew about iron. So, which of these following statements are correct? The answer will be only one. The economy of the early Neolithic cultures was based on agriculture and animal domestication. This will be the correct answer. Now the next question is consider the following statements regarding Chalcolithic people. Chalcolithic communities traded and exchanged materials with other contemporary communities. Large settlements like Ahar, Gilant, Navdatoli, Iran, Rangpur, Dayamabad, and Inamgao served as major centers of trade and exchange. Ahar people settled close to the copper source, supplied copper tools and objects to other contemporary communities in Malwa and Gujarat. So, which of the following statements are correct? The answer will be all of the above. All of these are correct answer regarding Chalcolithic people. Next question is consider the following statements regarding the status of technology during the Chalcolithic period. First statement is the Chalcolithic people were expert coppersmiths and had made considerable progress in metal technology. Second statement is the painted pottery was well made. The answer will be 1 and 2. Both these statements are correct regarding the status of technology during the Chalcolithic period. Next question is which of the following pairs is incorrectly matched? We have to find the incorrectly matched pair. Lower Paleolithic handrakes and cleaver industries, Middle Paleolithic tools made on flakes, and Upper Paleolithic tools made on blades and burins. The answer will be none of the above. All these are correctly matched pairs. The next question is consider the following statements regarding tools and technology of the Middle Paleolithic culture. First statement is the Middle Paleolithic period is characterized basically by the flakes obtained by striking them out from pebbles or cobbles. Second statement is the tools included various kinds of scrapers, borers, and knives. So, which of these above statements are correct? The answer will be 1 and 2. Both these statements are correct regarding tools and technology of Middle Paleolithic culture. Which of the following archaeological sites have Paleolithic, Neolithic and Mesolithic remainings? The answer will be Belen Valley. Belen Valley is the archaeological site which have all these three ages remains. So, microliths are typical of Paleolithic age, Mesolithic age, Neolithic age or Chalcolithic age. The answer will be Mesolithic age. Which one of the following statements is not correct? The Chalcolithic man in India were acquainted with burnt bricks, or Paleolithic man in the later stages knew about fire. Bhimbetka caves are a treasure house for prehistoric paintings, or man came to practice agriculture in Neolithic era. So, which of these statements is not correct? The answer will be the Chalcolithic men in India were acquainted with burnt bricks. This is a wrong statement because they were not acquainted with the burnt bricks. So that is it for today. We will do another set of questions in my next video and subscribe my channel for more updates.